Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integrating factor because this one that is about y, this one that is about first derivative of y, so this is about linear differential equations. That's why we can use about this one. Now we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We can say that positive cotangx s next to y, that is for integrating factor, and I need to put this one gone here. So we know that cotangx s, that is about cosine s over sine s. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of ln of sine s. This one we simplify and we have sine s. That means we need to multiply both sides by sine s. Now cotangx s, that is about cosine s over sine s. Cosecant of s, that is about 1 over sine s. This one we simplify and we have cosine s. This one we have number 1. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y sine s. The integration of the s, we have s, and I will put about c. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.